Hi guys, Postman's bin. I'm hoping this is the dual pole, dual throw, or double pole, double throw, 3-position switches that I've ordered. Yes. Okay. Well, they're certainly double pole, double throw. Are they 3-position? One. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay. That is what we want. That's to replace... Hang on, where is it? Replace that one. Obviously, it's a different shape. So we might have to do a bit of work to make it fit. Maybe just 3D print a sleeve to pad it out to the right size. Or even just a couple of bits of cardboard. Oops. That's where it's got to fit. So it's a little bit narrower. Yeah, I might just have to pad it with a couple of bits of cardboard or something. And just bend these tags over on the end, out of the way. So then it'll be, oh, it might still be a little bit too long. Well, we'll have a look. If we can't get it to fit in there, we'll actually fit it up on the top here and 3D print that piece to suit, which would be quite easy. We'll have a look. Just for reference, before I put them away, these are the ones I ordered previously. Didn't think to check the dimensions because they looked right in the picture, but as you can see, they were a little bit too big. Still did the job, actually fitted it on the front there. But we'll see if we can get these to fit in there, or we'll fit it up there. Right, we've pulled it apart again. If we want to try and put that switch in the original position, might show a bit better if we look there. There's a bit of plastic. Let's point. A little bit of plastic. Focus, please. A little bit of plastic just there. But if I use a hot knife to go down behind it, then that bit sticking out should slide down behind it to the right depth, and then do the same thing at this end to slide it in there. The only thing is, even if we do that, it's about 0.5 millimeter longer than we want it to be. Or maybe a full millimeter. All right. I'm not sure if it'll fit, allowing for that. Or we chop those bits right off. And then we need to do something to stop it popping inside. Well, we could just hot glue it, of course. That's the usual answer. With a little bit of trimming, we've managed to get it to fit in there. I melted down the back there so that the end can slide in, and then did the same on that piece there, melted down the back so that slides in there. I did have to trim a little bit of this plastic out of the way as well, because it's slightly longer or deeper. Get that fit behind there. Can you see that? So we're in. We'll do some soldering and see if we can get it back together. Soldered up and covered with hot glue just to give it a bit of strength. Right, just put the bodywork back together so we can check. So that's all okay. I'm still not sure what I want to do about the battery, because if we want to replace the original battery box, which holds 2 AA's, that will be a fair bit of work. I'll have to replace these metal clips, contacts. That one's completely corroded away, so we'd have to replace them. That's not the end of the world, but I quite like the idea of this. But if I leave it like this, obviously I can't send it back to a charity shop, because we can't expect people to be charging up lithium-ion batteries. So I'll have to think about it, whether I'm actually going to donate it back to a charity shop or just keep it for the fun of it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.